Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the camera is not working, we can't find your camera. For this I will show you simple thing. I will show you. Go to the start, type camera. Here camera app settings option is there, click this. Then you need to find the app permissions. If it is on, okay, otherwise scroll down. Here you will get an option called reset. Click this reset option. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Reset it. After this, close this and then again start. Then settings and select privacy. In this you need to find your camera options. Here camera option is there. Here you need to slide this to switch on the permission. You need to give permission to allow apps to access your camera. After this, try to restart your computer, then you can check it out whether the problem will be solved or not. If it is solved, okay, thank you.